A number of local athletes have been given the chance to showcase their talent at Saturday's staging of the Racers Grand Prix at the National Stadium starting at 7 p.m. It's a move that was intentionally done by the organizers. Garfield Jones has tonight's preview.
When the 7th staging of the Racers Grand Prix, a World Continental Tour Silver Meet, gets underway on Saturday, spectators will notice a significant increase in the number of Jamaican athletes taking part. Chairman of the organizing committee, Glenn Mills, says it was a deliberate move to give more exposure to local-based athletes.
This year, we have emphasized our Jamaican contingent, and if you look at the lineup, it's heavily laced with Jamaican athletes, and we are featuring our top athletes. We feel that when they compete here in this level competition and the crowd behind them, it certainly invigorates them and motivates them, and it will be very good for them going for the remaining period leading up to September to coming out of this experience. So we are depending on the Jamaican faithful to come out and will let us have a very large crowd.
One athlete who is anticipated to set the stadium alight is Olympic and World Championship 100-meter finalist Oblique Seville. Mills was cautiously optimistic about how his young charge will perform.
Oblique, he's in pretty good shape. The last when he ran at the Adidas meet, he had some problems. That the track is a track made by suspended in the air, and there's stability and so on, so he didn't push himself. But before that, he had run a slightly renated 9:80, 84 or 85.
Seville, who won last year's event in 9.82 seconds, was coy when asked what kind of shape he was in.
When the fans come out, they can see what shape I'm in. I'm very prepared because my few training session has been good, and I like the way how things are going so far.
Meanwhile, quarter miler Vaughn Powell will be competing in the 200 meters against Christopher Taylor as he sharpens up on his speed work. Powell says his main focus will be on completing a perfect race.
Going there to execute a good race and have fun. This is my third 200 meter of the season. For me, expectations is just to go out there and do what coach tells me to do. Exactly, that's executing the race as he said I should do, so for me I don't think about time, if you execute a good race, I guess the time will come.
The Racers Grand Prix will be aired live and exclusive on TVJ, TVJ-SN and OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.